What's going on, loved ones? I hope that you are blessed and well. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. There will definitely be something here on this channel for you. If you are returning, hey besties, what's going on? Let's get into our breathing. Inhale positive life force energy. Exhale and release any stress, any anxiety, anything that is bothering you today. Just visualize it leaving your body, mind, and spirit with every exhale. Most High God, Divine Holy Spirit, angels, ancestors, spirit guides, guardian angels, and divine beings of the highest white light, please come in and connect with me. Thank you so much for your love, guidance, and support, Archangel Michael. It's time to connect. Archangel Michael, please encamp the angels of protection and war around us at this time. Please and thank you. Ashe. It's time to connect. Your guides could be wanting to connect with you to give you some insight. Or there could be someone in your energy that wants to connect with you. Ooh, when you put it like that. Okay, I love this energy off top. It's time to connect. I feel like this is about connecting what is meant for you, bringing in what is meant for you. Okay, rejection was for your protection in the reverse. So there could have been somebody that you were with that maybe you didn't understand that you were being protected from. Maybe the divine was holding on to this harvest because you were connected to someone. Okay, we have stalker vibes here as I said that. Okay, so someone could be watching now. Okay, with peaceful resolution in the reverse. This could be somebody that is in that energy of wanting the smoke. Okay, this could be somebody that knows you're about to come into some type of harvest. This could have been this person's objective in connecting with you. What else? We have be careful. Just good Lord. Someone is obsessed with you, but it came out in the reverse. So this is somebody that's hiding that they're watching you. You may not know that this person is watching you, but somebody's upset. We have no one can change this situation except for you. It's in the reverse. So this person feels like they can't change something. They don't know what to do. They're just watching whoever you are to see the best way to come in so that they can reap this harvest with you. I have learned not to allow rejection to move me. I don't like this energy. Cicely Tyson. I have learned not to allow rejection to move me. So it's like you may not be interested in this person. This person could have tried. You could have rejected them. Or this could be how you feel in the sense of you're not tripping if this person did reject you. You've moved on. Okay, so take it as it resonates. But I'm getting the energy that this person feels like even if you don't want them, they don't care. They're not going to allow that to move them away from you or away from your harvest. Give me one for this. I don't care for this energy. Get excited. You're about to be blessed in the reverse. This is like anxiety energy with this being in the reverse. I don't like this energy. I don't like this at all. What is I have learned not to allow rejection to move me? Yeah, this is exactly what I feel. This desperate energy wanting to still come towards you, wanting to still be with you or connect with you. I'm seeing a lot of hearts, so this is how they're going to try to do it. I can't make it up. I cannot, y'all. I'm telling you, This person is going to try to get you to open up your heart, okay? With let them go in the reverse. This person is sending that energy to you. We have you were right the whole time. Intuitive, knowing, psychic. You could have had some type of feeling about this person. You could have felt like something was off with this person. This person gave off some type of funky energy. Okay. You could have received some type of messages in the dream state from your guides about this person. And I'm looking at the top of this deck here, and it just says cleanse your space. So this like this person had to be removed, or the divine could have removed them. They could have removed themselves, or you could have. But you were guided to do this. What else? We have, am I dreaming? Okay. This is spell work. I can definitely feel it. With Atlantic Star, this is the name of the group that sings this song, but I'm getting Atlantic as in ocean, as in emotion, cups energy, and star. It's like this person is in this very desperate emotional energy, wishing on a star, hoping and dreaming and sending you some type of energy in the dream state to get you to, I'm hearing you got your hooks in me by the OJs, okay? The OJs could be significant, okay? I'm also getting OJ Simpson energy, okay? Hey, I'm not going to get into the details of that case or my position on where I think that is, but it is a very, very profoundly popular case about the OJ Simpson trial. That could be significant. I don't know why they're giving me that, but this is like spousal dispute energy, okay? I don't like this energy. I don't like this energy. What am I getting on? Am I dreaming? We have denial. Pay close attention. So this person is in denial, and they are paying close attention to you with stalker vibes. Be careful, someone is obsessed. Peaceful resolution in the reverse. Desperate energy. I learned not to allow rejection to move me. Like I'm not going nowhere. This is not a good energy. Reminisce on the love we had. Mary J. Mary could be significant. With Mary and J, I'm getting the energy of Mary and Yeshua trying to come through. Mary and then the J for Jeshua. Okay, reminisce on the love we had. They're sending you some type of past life messages. Look at this. I'm telling you, this person is crazy, y'all. Do not allow fear to stop you. Keep going. I will not allow rejection to move me. This person's in denial. Okay? But this person is going to get that energetic smoke if they come near you or try it. Okay? What else do we need to know? You are the only person who really loved me. This is what they're going to say. This is heart energy. Relax, drink some tea, spiritual bath. Okay, this is all your guys want you to do. Stay connected. Okay. Also, this is the energy that this person wants you to be in, a very relaxed, calm energy. They may ask you to out for drinks or tea or something like that. No. No. Look at this. Don't explain yourself to anyone in the reverse on the bottom of the deck. Okay? This person's going to want an explanation. I feel like this person is going to ask you this in some type of way. With don't explain yourself, this person wants you to explain yourself. What is this? We have Knight of Swords. This is attack mode energy. This is communication. Quick communication coming through to you. What's will you marry me? I do not like this person's energy. What's will you marry me? Abundance. This is all this is about. You are about to be rolling in the dough. Okay, I don't feel like this is only harvest in the form of money, but there is money here, and this is why this person wants bottom of the deck to collaborate. Okay, this ain't got nothing to do with this person is a narc. This person is coming back to drain your energy. This person is coming back to drain your bank account. This person don't love you. Look at this. Someone is in love with you in the reverse. This person is not in love with you. Speak, Holy Spirit. What else do we need to know? We have push through your fears. You got this. Do y'all understand the magnitude of this person's tenacity when it comes to coming back into your energy? I don't know how many cards have come out in this same energy. Push through your fears. Do not allow rejection to move you. Do not allow fear to stop you. Okay? There's an urgency here, and I feel like that is why this is coming out. So they don't want you to be in denial about this energy. They want you to protect your energy. Okay, and they're saying this not to scare anybody here, because they wanted me to place this here because it's like you can relax. Your harvest and your abundance is coming. What you do need to do is cleanse your energy and protect your energy. I do not feel this person is able to come towards you. Listen, karmic justice, they cannot come towards you, but energetically this person's desperate energy is projecting majorly. This energy of conflict with peaceful resolution in the reverse. This energy of conflict is strong. Okay, listen, your guides and angels are sending you a lot of angel numbers and messages. They want you to stay tapped in, stay connected. Okay, they don't want you in this desperate energy. Look at this, wanted to come out, return to sender. They are definitely wanting you to protect your energy. If you are, I don't feel like you even have to do this. I feel like this is instant when energy is sent your way. As long as you're not in a lower vibration, this stuff will not hit you. Okay? Look at this. Can we start over again? I want another chance. And look what's right behind it. What are the odds of these two cards being right behind each other? Can we start it over again? I want another chance. Please give me another chance. Come on, y'all. Cray, cray. What else do we need to know about the loop-de-loop? What did I say? Projecting energies. What did I say about this energy? This desperate energy is strong. Okay? A lot of signs. Look at this. You are always on my mind, obsessed in signs. I feel like this person is also, they're sending you, your guides are sending you signs. The numbers 111, 333, 444, 222, 888, 1414, 1212, 1010. A lot of numbers are coming out. They definitely want you to be paying attention. Look at this. He's mine. You may have had him once. Okay? He's mine. This person feels like he's mine. She's mine. Cray, cray. You better rebuke that devil. Okay? Ashe. What else do we need to know? Crossing paths. I heard crossing paths. This part, listen. Guilty. Okay? Crossing paths and guilty, Holy Spirit. What am I picking up? Somebody, your guides are sending somebody into this person's physical reality. This person is going to either really lose it. This person is going to lose it. Something's about to happen. What am I picking up on with crossing paths, guilty, and mental? Okay. I don't know what your guides are working on, and they're not going to let me tap too far in it, but there's somebody in the physical that's going to cross paths with this person. This person is guilty. Now, I notice I place it's over on top of stalker vibes. This person could be arrested for trying to stalk you in the physical. But this person, whoever this person is in the physical, is going to wrap it all up. Okay? Give us insight on this person, Holy Spirit. We have move your body. Okay, that's them wanting me to move away from trying to get any more insight. Move on to something else. Look, I can't make it up. With stop here, yeah, they don't want me to be all up in your business. Okay, they just want you to know that things are being worked out, and they want you to speak, Holy Spirit. I did everything you said that I did. That's the divine saying, yeah, that's exactly what I said. That's exactly what you heard was right. Move away from that. Move on. Okay. Quiet. Speak, Holy Spirit. Okay. Moving right along. What else do we need to know? What else do we need to know? We have narc in the reverse. It's like this person's going down is what I'm hearing. We already saw narc coming out. Okay. Page of Swords, you're going to know or hear about this person, this stalker. Page of Swords energy is the stalker. They're letting me know the narc and the stalker energy is the same person. But not only that, you're going to see something or know get some type of insight about this person. Potentially, we have a long walk. This person's taking a long walk away from you. Thank you, Holy Spirit. What else? Wait for God to advise. While you're waiting for God to advise you on what to do, do what you love to do. They're wanting you to just stay focused, work on what you're working on. Make sure you're drinking your tea and relaxing and staying connected. Okay? Anything else? Stop overthinking. Allow God to work. Whoever you are, they know you well. They know that you're still going to be thinking, okay, well, what if they do this or do that? They're like, what I say. I said, do what you love to do. Relax. Know that your harvest and abundance is coming in. Know that this guilty person, for this guilty person, karmic justice is coming in. Okay? So just chill and know these things. Okay? Bottom of the deck, they wanted me to just close it with this: being haunted by your ancestors and angels, archangels. Okay? They got this. Show gratitude. Now let's get some tarot to see if there's anything else we need to know about what's coming in for you. They want me to keep karmic justice and abundance out here. Thank you, angels, ancestors, and spirit guides. What does our loved one need to know about? Okay, let's get this deck first. Listen. Confusion in the reverse, trust in the upright. Don't be confused. Don't get it twisted. Trust in what the divine is telling you about your harvest, your abundance, your protection, your justice coming through. Okay? Don't be confused. I love it when we're cruising together. Okay. That song is significant. Baby, let's cruise away from here. Okay, let's cruise. The divine is saying, let's cruise. Let's chill. Six of Swords energy. I love it when we're cruising together. Divine saying, I love it when you just allow for divine flow. Thank you, Holy Spirit. What is karmic justice? What do we need to know about karmic justice? Okay, this deeply emotional person that was studying you with this stalker energy is receiving this karmic justice. Okay? Justice will be served. What else, Holy Spirit? Give me one for karmic justice. Oof. And it's going to be intense. Whatever this person got to deal with, the intensity is real. Okay? This is like, listen. Okay? So, but that's not our business. Wow, yes came out twice with attract. Okay, we have yes, yes, okay, and attract. It's like karmic justice is the wheel of fortune, karma rolling back around. You are attracting what you put out. The intensity of what this person did is coming back around. That is the truth. Wow, when you put it like that. Okay, and just like the intensity of what you put out, you are attracting, and that is why you are attracting this harvest and this abundance and this place of peace and relaxation in your life. I love this. Yes, yes. Okay, let's get abundance. What's abundance, Holy Spirit? I saw something pop over. Admiration. Speak, Holy Spirit. Admiration. This is the divine's way of saying we admire what you do. We love you. That is a confirmation. And we want to show you in the form of material abundance. Okay, I'm seeing gifts as well. Something about spiritual gifts. And love with this green is giving heart chakra energy. Okay, the divine is embracing you. Look at this. Happiness will embrace you. It will surround you. Ooh, I love it. I love this energy because the divine has observed what you have been doing. What else? Cupid. I can't make it up. I said love with this green energy. I feel listen. Okay, the divine is bringing in everything for you, loved one. And what's behind Union Twin Flame? Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Is that an indication or no? What else, Holy Spirit? I love this. We have feelings. Take time to explore the deep emotions you are experiencing. I feel like somebody is about to be boohoo crying for joy, love. It's going to be so good. You're going to be so deep in your feelings when this energy comes over. Okay, because listen, ain't no disputing this happy embrace, Cupid, union, twin flame, love, abundance, harvest energy. Okay, listen. Recognition, recognize and realize that you are about to be extremely blessed in so many ways. Listen, okay? Acceptance, Six of Pentacles energy, reciprocation, blessings, gifts, love. I love this. Yes, I do. Okay. Let's see what else wants to come out. Okay, let's get a few of these and see. I feel like something else is here. What's the message, Holy Spirit? We have keep going. What's keep going? Well, that's way too many. Keep going, DF, Divine Feminine. Listen carefully, okay? You are going on a date. Oh, my goodness. Keep going, Divine Feminine. Listen carefully. Going on a date. Okay, this card says someone has a crush on you. Okay. Career upgrade. The World card, a cycle is ending. I feel like it's with this person that wanted to keep going and wanted to keep trying it with Divine Feminine. Okay, the one that's not so wise, wise one in the reverse. But that cycle is over, okay? And you are opening or stepping into a new cycle. I'm also hearing open your heart with open in this green here on abundance. Abundance giving Ace of Cups energy. Open your heart to love. Woo, confirmation. All right, y'all. So let's be a little nosy. Let's see who this person is that's crushing on Divine Feminine. or divine masculine. Take it as it resonates. Look what I split it on. 3 of Wands, 2 of Cups. Okay, so this person could be watching you from a distance. Okay, this person could be coming towards you with the High Priestess. That could be a confirmation. So you're about to go on a date. I feel like somebody's about to ask you out, or you may be guided to ask someone out. Listen, okay, this is harvest season. What's behind the Wheel of Fortune? The 10 of Cups. What's behind the 10 of Cups? The Ace of Cups. Okay, this is some good energy, y'all. Karmic justice is at play here in every way. It's time for you to get your harvest, your blessings, after dealing with a lot of nonsense. 9 of Pentacles in the reverse. If you're single, you won't be for long. Tell us about this person that has a crush on divine feminine or divine masculine. 3 of Wands. All that shuffling. In the 3 of Wands, this person has been watching you, preparing to come forward for this union. This is a twin flame energy. Okay. It says your plans are in motion. Okay. This person's putting some plans in motion after a period of a lot of work. And with the Knight of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, and 4 of Swords. Okay, I feel like this person has been mastering something. This person is very tapped in with the divine, with this 4 of Swords energy. It's time, I'm hearing. It's time. And then we see it's time to connect with the Judgment. Wow, this is beautiful. This person has been in this self-reflection energy. This person is, listen, they're reflecting on you now, Empress. They are ready, okay? What else? Give us some characteristics of, listen, bottom of the deck again. The Ace of Cups, Page of Cups. This person loves them some you, okay? What's going on here, Holy Spirit? Listen, the Emperor. We got the Empress, Ace of Cups, Emperor. Come on, y'all. With the Judgment. This is serious, y'all. Your boo. It's your boo. Okay? Sun card energy. This person is a whole emperor, okay? Whatever this person does with that 8 of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles, I feel like this person could have had their own business for many years. I feel like this person is really doing well, okay? With career upgrade, I feel an energy of this person taking a different role with the 4 of Swords. Although it's an upgrade, I feel like it's a role that will allow them to take a back seat, okay? There's something happening in this person's work life or whatever they're doing. This person is abundance, okay? Ashe, and so are you, okay? But I feel like some type of deal or something that this person has done is going to increase their finances but decrease their hard work or the effort that this person has to put in. Yeah, 3 of Pentacles. This person is not working with, Knight of Pentacles. This person is not doesn't have to do that anymore. This person is ready to get connected to you. Okay, this person is like, no, I'm just gonna be the boss behind the scenes and allow their team to do whatever they need to do, but they're not going to be working directly with them anymore. I feel like it might be because this person is coming from a distance. Their businesses may be where they are now, but they're coming towards you. What else, Holy Spirit? Listen, they're coming towards you. What else? Woo, a lot just flew out here. We have the 3 of Cups, the 6 of Wands, and the King of Pentacles. So this might be like, I'm getting like a retirement type of thing, or a merger or something with, there's like some type of celebration energy where this person is being publicly recognized. This person is a King of Pentacles type of energy, okay? But yeah, there's something ending. Maybe this person is, I don't feel like they're selling their business though. I don't. I feel like this person is just a behind the scenes executive or something. They're ending their labor is what I feel like, okay? King of Wands energy. It's like this person, all of these energies coming out are all seated. It's like this person's not going to have to do what they used to do, okay? The planning, the Two of Wands energy, this is going in a direction, doing something, making plans. This person is not going to be doing that anymore, okay? Ace of Wands, this person wants a new start, and they want, you are the new start, I'm hearing. You are the new start. What else do we need to know? Listen, Four of Swords, this person is trying to chill. This person is like, this is like retirement energy. Fool in the reverse. This is like, I'm not going out doing anything. I am the Magician. I'm going to attract what I need. I have all the resources here. Three of Swords in the reverse. This is a very healing and loving energy. A very powerful person. Whoever this is. Give me one more. Give me one more. We have Seven of Pentacles in the reverse. I'm telling you, this person's not, this person's like, I'm not doing, I have enough money. I don't need to do another thing. I'm not lifting another finger to do anything. Everything I need is here, and I attract what I need, okay? Nine of Cups. I attract what I need. I attract what I want. The Star. I attract what I want. My wishes are being fulfilled. I am abundance. This person, listen, when I tell you this person ain't doing no more work, listen, Ace of Swords, that is the truth. And I feel like this person may very well have you sitting down too. Like, look, we ain't doing nothing else. Magician right on top of the Empress. It's like, all we're going to do is manifest over here. I love this energy. Let's get some advice from the Daily Oracle. Oh, okay. They want something from the positive thoughts instead. What is the message here, Holy Spirit? We have bravery is a muscle you can build. Fear is unnerving and rattles you into complacency. Do not allow it to. Keep moving forward, one foot and then the next, until you move beyond that scary place. The more you challenge fear, the bolder you become. Okay, I feel like this is somebody that is an extremely hard worker. We saw Knight of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles. I feel like they've been doing something for a very long time. They've made a lot of money doing whatever they've done, and I feel like it took a lot for this person to take this bold step and actually sit back. It's like, I feel like this is the type of person that could not be still, that had to have their hand in everything, that initially found trouble delegating, that type of energy. But this person is taking a brave step to move forward and be in this rest. Listen, now I understand. With relaxed, drink tea, spiritual bath, this is the whole energy of your new union. It's going to be very peaceful. There's going to be an overflow of everything you need. There's going to be an overflow of abundance, love, blessings, okay? The two of you may go cherry picking, for God's sakes, okay? I love this energy. That was the message, y'all. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Thank your guides. Thank the Most High, because this is beautiful energy. This started off real crazy, but it ended very well. I'm so excited for you. If you are in need of a meditation, check out the Lightworks goodie bag in the description box. Be mindful of the frequencies. I'm not responsible for how they feel, so only use what feels good to you. If you are in need of a Wow, I just went blank for a second. That's weird. Okay. But this is all you need to know. They said flip that over. Okay, it's like maybe you're going to be speechless for a second because these blessings are going to continuously flow. Shay, we love that. If you feel inclined to donate to the channel, I do appreciate it and love you guys. Thank you to all of you that have donated. The Cash App and PayPal is in the description box, and the super thanks are available to you if you feel inclined as well. If you want to book a personal reading, email me at lightworksintuitivehealing@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to get you all set up. Until next time, loved ones, peace and blessings. Ashe.